Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Man. Today, let's examine Outlier AI. Is it a scam or a legit one? So let's begin by opening an Outlier AI website. Then scroll down. Now here, you will see the expertise of a couple of them in. So what will you be actually doing is to train an AI. Now here, you can see all of them. So if you have any of the skills, then you can start doing the AI training for Outlier. If you speak any of this language, then you can just apply now. For example, I will choose this one, click on that, then you will see how it works. They have a project that you can do, and just read all the information here. And in order to apply for any of these jobs, you can just go to specific jobs, and then you can apply with LinkedIn, or you can apply details right here. Click on Submit Application, and that's it. For me, it's 100% legit, not a scam. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.